I'm gonna work on his solar today.
We're gonna try.
Yes.
I didn't promise anything. You realize I'm not a professional, right?
Absolutely.
If this thing burns down, I'm not responsible.
I'm gonna be homeless.
We got a little problem here. The cable is all the way underneath there and I can't reach, so I'm gonna have to take these out. It's only 8 of them, and then lift this, move the cable, and then reattach. I already got that done here with a grommet in there. We're gonna attach just these 2 panels, and then Don's gonna get the right connectors to attach all 4. The way they put the solar panels down, the cables don't reach each other. I gotta take the solar panel out, flip it around, and then it should work. Buddy, you okay? I got this 30 amp MPPT charge controller from Renology up here, almost installed. Don is going to buy all the other stuff and then I'll come back. I'm back here at Don's trying to finish his electrical stuff, but he didn't quite get the breaker box that I asked him to get.
He threw me a curveball.
So he got something a little bit different that we're gonna have to work with. Let's get to it so we can get this done and done can be done. Well, I was about to use my heat gun to shrink some heat shrinking tube, and Don tried to start the generator and it doesn't have enough fuel to start the generator. Good thing that there's a gas station right there and he's got that door open. He's got this door open. It's taking a while. I think we're gonna get it done. It's just taking a little bit longer because he's got different breaker box from the one I had asked. You should have gotten the right one, Don, but we'll get it done, hopefully. The fuse box, that's probably going to be a problem, and a couple other minor things, but if he ever gets out of the gas station, I think we'll get it done. Any day now, Don. Hopefully he's not going to hit my van. I don't know where he's going to turn, but don't hit my van. Hey, making a high production over here. Don't hit my van, Don. Uh-oh. I don't know where he's going to turn. Any day now, Don. I don't have my time, but any day. Oh, he's going around. Okay. There you go. The problem was what, Don?
Fuel!
That's what I told you.
Yeah!
You didn't believe me.
I'm slow to believe.
Hopefully, it's going to work. Ready, Don?
All right.
Okay, if I connected everything correctly,
Yes.
this should work. I heard the boom. If I didn't connect this correctly, we're gonna hear a boom. Ah! Gotcha. Did I get you? We got it on. Hey, 12.7.
Glory, hallelujah. Coming in, 12.7.
It's working. Look at that. It's working, Don.
Yes,
What do you say to that?
I love free power.
Give me 5.
Amen.
Give me 5.
5, yes.
Wail, for the day of the Lord is near. It will come as destruction from the Almighty. Therefore all hands will fall limp, and every man's heart will melt. They will be terrified. Pains and anguish will take hold of them. They will writhe like a woman in labor. They will look at one another in astonishment, their faces aflame. Behold, the day of the Lord is coming, cruel, with fury and burning anger, to make the land a desolation, and he will exterminate its sinners from it. Isaiah 13, 6, 9.